What's up guys, Nesh here, and today we're going to unbox a few products I bought recently. If by recently you mean last year December. Yeah, so let's get to it. So here we go. So it's definitely hard to do this in one hand with one hand, you can tell, but so I think I'll just open each package and then show you what's inside, right? Yeah, so there we go. Let's see. JUMIA paperwork. I guess I'll just open it up first and then. So I finally managed to get into the package, and we have a relatively small box, smaller than I thought, but let's see what's inside. So I guess this is going to clamp on your phone. So this is your suction cup and an arm, a gooseneck arm, so you can extend it however you like, bend it however you like. That's what I like about it. So I'm gonna switch to it so that I have both my hands free. So with my new arm, let's open another box. Oh, another package. It's not a box. Just cut through the package and paperwork. Whoa, I missed that. My arm is misbehaving. So this is the main package. It's a portable power bank right there. Yeah. So let's see. Portable power bank, 10,000 milliamps, and I got it for quite cheap. So check JUMIA for that. I think it's a bit more expensive right now because I got it in a flash sale, but it's relatively cheap for what you're getting. 10,000 milliamps, and that's not even $10. It's less than $10. 1,000 Kenya shillings, less than 1,000. So let's open the package. USB cable, micro USB to charge the device. Some instructions, nobody reads that. And here you have it, the 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. Nice. It's plastic, you can tell, but it's really interesting. In the package, JUMIA also included bars of soap. Who would have thought, right? So I kind of got it thinking like this. So JUMIA got me a power bank and bars of soap. Energy, clean. What does that remind you of? Clean energy. Clean energy. JUMIA. Clean energy. I can't believe this, JUMIA. What? Anyway, it's a good power bank, I guess. So I'll be testing this out. So the next two things are essential for any media users, mostly near a TV, living room setup, a computer. So this is a HDMI cable, 1.5 1.5 meters right there. So it's braided, I guess gold plated, or maybe that's fake. So yeah, it's it does its job. It's a USB. Yeah, sorry, it's a HDMI cable. It kind of looks nice. Is something I think every person, everyone who needs good wireless audio should have. So let's get into this package. Yep. So here is the package. So the products I have that have this packaging are drop shipped by Jumia from China. So this is from China. It's yeah. So here we go. It's a Bluetooth audio receiver. It's a Bluetooth audio receiver, music receiver, as they call it. So it's a Bluetooth audio receiver, and this is good for someone who has maybe an old music system at home or an old car that doesn't support Bluetooth. So what happens is this connects, it's not a USB drive, so yeah, it connects to USB. So USB powers the receiver. So it powers the receiver and it receives music from your phone. So after it gets music from your phone, it has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So you connect this into here and this into either your TV, no, not your TV, your music system or your car. It should have an aux jack. So when you connect it, it gets music from your phone to the receiver and into your speakers, your amplifier or something. So that's how you get wireless. So the receiver and your phone will be wirelessly connected via Bluetooth. So that's how you get the music wirelessly. You don't have to have a cable from the car to your phone or have your phone at the TV desk or something. So this is a nifty and simple way to do this. I really like it. So I think I ordered another one from Jumia. Yeah, for the number of setups I have for music listening. So that is it, guys. So you guys stay tuned for videos of the products in this video. So get down and follow me, subscribe, like, and you get to see more of this.